Apple is gearing up to revolutionize its Mac Mini lineup with a radical redesign. The upcoming M4 Mac Mini is set to break away from its predecessor's larger form factor, adopting a compact Apple TV-inspired design. Despite its diminutive size, this tiny machine packs a powerful punch. Under the hood, the M4 Mac Mini will boast the latest M4 and M4 Pro chips. These cutting-edge processors promise to deliver exceptional performance for a wide range of tasks, from everyday computing to demanding creative workflows. The M4 Mac Mini is also expected to offer a variety of memory and storage options, allowing users to customize their machine to suit their specific needs. In addition to its impressive hardware, the M4 Mac Mini will likely feature a sleek and minimalist design. While details are still scarce, the Apple TV-inspired form factor suggests a focus on portability and aesthetics. The machine is expected to include a generous selection of ports, ensuring compatibility with a variety of peripherals and devices. One of the most notable features of the upcoming M4 Mac Mini is its significant reduced footprint. Unlike its bulkier predecessors, leaked images indicate that Apple has opted for a design reminiscent of the Apple TV. This dramatic downsizing is a testament to Apple's ongoing commitment to sleek, minimalist aesthetics. The compact form factor of the M4 Mac Mini is expected to be particularly appealing to users who prioritize space efficiency. Whether it's a home office, a student's dorm room, or a minimalist living space, the smaller design ensures that the Mac Mini can seamlessly integrate into various environments without taking up excessive room. Moreover, its portability makes it ideal for those who frequently move their workspace or need a powerful computer on the go. The upcoming M4 Mac Mini is poised to offer a substantial upgrade in port selection, addressing a common user complaint about previous models. One of the most notable enhancements is the inclusion of 5 USB ports. This generous number of ports will significantly increase the device's versatility, allowing users to connect a wider range of peripherals without the need for additional hubs or adapters. Furthermore, 3 of these USB ports will boast Thunderbolt connectivity. Thunderbolt is a high-speed interface that supports both data transfer and display output. This means that users can connect multiple high-resolution displays, external storage devices, and other peripherals to the Mac Mini without compromising performance. The increased number of Thunderbolt ports represents a significant improvement over previous Mac Mini models, which typically offered only 2. The M4 Mac Mini, set to be powered by Apple's groundbreaking M4 and M4 Pro chips, is poised to deliver a significant performance boost over its predecessor. The M4 and M4 Pro chips are anticipated to offer up to 44% faster speeds and 57% faster neural engine performance, making the M4 Mac Mini a formidable tool for demanding tasks like video editing, music production, and software development. To complement its powerful processors, the M4 Mac Mini will ship with a standard 16 GB of RAM, a substantial upgrade from the previous 8 GB baseline. This increased memory capacity will enable smoother multitasking and performance when running resource-intensive applications. Additionally, the M4 Mac Mini is expected to be available with a base storage option of 256 GB, with higher-end models offering 512 GB or more to cater to users with extensive storage needs. With its smaller design, upgraded ports, powerful processors, and generous memory and storage options, the M4 Mac Mini has the potential to redefine expectations for a compact desktop computer. As we eagerly await its official release, it remains to be seen if the M4 Mac Mini will live up to the hype and deliver a truly exceptional computing experience.